That's good. That song and all of that, I was one of the girls that Jeremy was talking about. I came from a single parent home. My mom had a gambling addiction. My dad was an alcoholic or whatever. And going through all of that, I was looking for love in all the wrong places. I was having sex outside of marriage. But when I got saved and gave my life to the Lord, I began seeking Him. And I began seeking right relationships. And He redeemed me from all of that. His grace is so sufficient. So young ladies, I would love to tell you guys that regardless to who you're hanging around, you have to make right choices. You are so precious to God, and God wants to restore you, even if you have had sex outside of marriage. And even all of that, it's so crazy how God has brought us all together to come talk to you guys, because like Ben was saying, I was also molested, and I was molested by a family member. So through all of that, I had a lot of anger built up in me, and it was just in bad relationships and hurt. I was very hurt. So what I want to tell you guys is that be encouraged, get your education, begin now to make right decisions, right choices in your friendships, in your relationships, and you guys see what a difference it'll make. Because if the people that you hang around, if they're not taking you closer to the things that you want to do, and they're moving you further away from the things that you desire, that means that you're hanging with the wrong crowd, and you need to change that up. But God's grace is sufficient, His mercy endures, and you guys be encouraged and do the right thing and make the right choices and see what a difference your life will make. Like Jeremy was saying, even if you don't believe in God, those principles will work in your life regardless. If you hang with the wrong crowd, you're gonna end up doing some things that you probably wouldn't want to do otherwise. So being that that's the case, it'll work in your life regardless of whether you believe in God or not. We're not trying to push that down your throat. And another thing that God has allowed me to see through my job, I do pediatric building. And that's like when you guys go to the doctor for different things or whatever. Well, I have patient charge tickets to come across my desk where kids your age, they have HIV, they have hepatitis, they have syphilis, and then some kids have cancer. So you guys are our future. So the decision that you're making right now is going to impact your future. So I just want to encourage you to make the right decisions and do the right thing and watch it have great results, is what I want to say. Thank you guys.
Front line.